Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy webinar YouTube watching Forex trading. Rakesh, I am Rakesh, and October 2020. I'm not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm just a community member. Please do not confuse trading ideas or uh, friend group as a technique. I know already priced into that. We'll not talk about charts. Also from charts, I will friends if you have any chat, right? Like Julius have something like have some charts for you. I'll be doing ask me have regarding the at the end of the I will be you have anything connected ask that before I start the stream. I must I say that and take I will be uh, that I will be at the and be with me for the entire webinar. Let's begin from have the starts after the daily back on back, but of the month as process of going down and through. Yes, the price is going. They are expect that the sell price is low than this low, and I'm a little cautious of buying dollar right, but I'm looking selling up 107 the zone of and the support is around 105.2. I am expecting in talk about the dollar. You like the dollar index we have discussed back to this, that didn't happen. This generally doesn't happen. Price versus and then it goes price has 1.048 support. Guys, I'm doing it quick because this is Friday. There will be no. Okay, so here there is something the process going up on tower. The price was making higher highs and higher lows. This 1.2105 area was an 8 hours that of interest up. But I'm just expecting that this area may be and when the yes if it holds then Right now, expect the sellers to out their book their profits around $1 billion. Well, all because USD here. The price has already tested the low of 0.65. It has 59. The level that we had on our chart, not today. We were aware. So somebody tell this market that this is have to book from here. If we go further south, then 0.6271 is support, which is very much near to this level of 0.85. So my request is that if you are looking for another opportunity, don't go short right now, but wait for the price to let it go below 0.671 and then for an opportunity. If you really want to right now, shorting is not a good idea because the I hope you not be shorting this right now. Yes, if you are short, you can for booking your profits. USD JPY 150.15 is the resistance I am looking for. Till the time it is not breaking higher, I am not going to buy this. Until the time it is not breaking below 147.27, I am not selling it either. Either way, we are not trading this market or in between the USD CAD also I am not trading because it is very uncertain. The price was making higher highs and higher lows, then it made lower low, but again it made a higher high. So we are not certain about which direction. I'm just staying away from this market. And if I'm, you guys don't have to always times uh, being on the sidelines is also a very good. Hold your position, be with your money. When the time arises, you will have trades. Not try to push yourselves in. Talking about the USD CHF, we expected like that, and we said that okay, the price is going down, but here it may find support and then expect it to fall from here. If you have already done this thing which I was asking you, then fine. Otherwise, expect 0.8986 to be broken soon. Right now, we are between the support of 0.8986 and a resistance of 0.909. Yesterday, I have mentioned about it that 0.909 is the area of resistance. After this 0.8986, 8894 I on these time. Silver, I was expecting it to get sold off from here, but it didn't happen, and the silver is being bought. My only hope now is that there is a possibility of silver getting rejected either from this from this channel, or maybe from this area of confluence. I will just remove everything else. Otherwise, you get some. This is my possibility. I'm thinking that 23.78 may again act as a resistance, or this falling channel at the price. Well, horizontal level is at 23.78 now on the upside, and horizontal level of support now is 20.21 based on these levels. But if you include this low that the price has created yesterday, then the 1.73 becomes the. I think similarly in the gold also you can see that there is the price just went through the 1884. There it has found resistance. Now it is trading close to 1920. Such a growth in gold, that means there is whenever there is a risk involved in the world markets, now you might be thinking that this is something that is not usual. Generally, when the US dollar goes up, gold and silver fall. But there is something else. What is it? Possible? What is the possibility? Well, but from charts, buying it, there is a high probability bad news, something like World War, something earthquake. The people start pulling out their money, start pushing something like what is expecting. Let us see how the things unfold in the future. But right now, are definitely pushing. Talking about the Brent, or and it is going through the levels that we have marked. See, guys, when there are some new or some events in the world, the channels marks the example. But anyways, put the dynamic levels. Horizontal level is 95.9, resist 7 or Bitcoin. Not ready to rise from here. But even if it falls, then it should fall till here and then. But we should only be talking about 488. Still to consider for buying this market, and 552. Ethereum has given away yesterday losses, but yes, this also confluence support also support. Why? Because there was a horizontal level and has been, there is a possibility that the price will go like this. But looking at the candles, the red color, I'm expecting something. In any case, we should see what happens in the, but right now it's like that at the lower levels there are buyers, but are very soon sent down at the prices. Higher side we have resistance, side we have your Audi. Well, a clean breakout. This is expected to happen. I expect 1.6. This right now is buy zone, I will say, because you can have more than 1:2 order issue right now. And almost 2. Yes, there is a possibility of Audi news trend. We are lower levels, but yes, pull back on hourly. Expect the prices to go back to 1.0. May find strong resistance. No change. I'm going very fast because we have to go through GBP CHF. Or is expecting some? I will. Okay, so here we saw yesterday a close above the level of resistance and a very good Marubozu, and price came back to test this as the fresh support and is now headed higher. I'm expecting the price to go maximum 1.94 area where it should find resistance and will complete the head and shoulder pattern. And expecting it. See if we are able to find sellers around 1. Support is around 1.9. USA 30, well, a rise above 3902. Fresh pin bar on the 4 hour. Yes, more losses are possible on the way. I think this 30 is headed towards 33.7. Let's see if it goes like this, or I have already thought about it that this is possible. But even if it falls, then target of 506 in the guys levels. These are the levels where you should buy or sell. Don't pay from. Here there is a miss happening. Canadian finding some support here around 0.66. Oh, this level around 0.6536 support, possible potential support, because this area has been a very good resistance past from where it higher. So now this sell off cannot happen, like somewhere it has to stop. 540 is the level which the resistance will now be provided by 0.616. GBP CAD, a sell off from the GBP CAD here from the channel. We were expecting the price to at least reach 1.6800, but maybe rising crude oil prices in this one. 1.6502 is now the immediate support. If that doesn't hold, then expect the prices to reach these close, which is around 1.635. 1.6502 is the support. Thereafter 1.6810 is just a tech. Although we are bullish on this one, but because of I think the Dow Jones falling, maybe this is the reason that it is falling a bit. But expect 14,905 to act as a support here, and now 15,140 to act as a resistance on the 4 hour now. ODJP also, we are sellers in this market now. 93.01 is the target. 96.92 is the resistance. Or if you don't want to sell or buy this market, then look for the selling opportunity. 93.01. In fact, on the 4 hour, the selling has already started. You can expect 93. JPY bullish above 183, but yesterday there was a this one. So our stop loss is on the verge of getting hit. That will get hit when the price goes below 181.24. The support next price marker is 180.72. After that, it goes 178.02 in this. The contrary, on the higher side, 183.01 is now. Now, last thing, GBF, my friend was asking. Let's see. I think GBP CHF, there is a multi-month breakdown on the GBP CHF. I was watching this chart a few days back, and I was looking for a breakdown in this. Oh, yes. See, multi-month. When there's so the Swiss goes weekly, I think. I'm opening GBP market, guys. That's why it is taking time. Share it with me. The weekly chart of the UF support, and in between, this is the support that the price is. So why I have mentioned this one, because you see here the price made a high back to 10 before making this high. Ultimately, you have to see that 1.0894 is actually the level below which there should be the stop loss. The level be from the daily, you can always see these levels if you want to, but always notice that this is the level that you have to keep. 0.0894. My friend Tega Julius, if you are already short in this one, maybe you would like to book your profits close to 1.0894, and then again look for selling this market below that. But something like this in this market is possible, but don't always be like very uh, optimistic about this price getting sold off. There is a very high probability that this price can go like this also. Don't be surprised if something like, because 1.0894 in my opinion is a very strong point. This point here, the very strong, right? That's all from my side. If you have any other question, you can ask me in the chat box, or otherwise there is also a possibility of something like this. I took loss 3. Maybe you try to open the buying, maybe you try to open the buy positions, you're thinking that the price is headed towards 1.5. No, clearly on daily this is a selling market, that is for sure. Okay, yeah, buying it. You should be looking for a selling opportunity, not be look, even if the price hits 1.0894, you should not be buying it. But yes, if there is some buying, you should be looking for selling this at around 1.0988. That is, go with the trend. Okay, go with the trend till the time the market structure is down. Just look for selling this. That's all, guys, from my side. I hope that you have got all the idea about what is happening in the next week. But my request to you will be that never risk more than 1%. Before pressing the trigger, look for it. Is there any potential of making times of whatever you are risking? If it is not, don't and press. That's all, guys, from my side. Please press the like button if you find this video useful or suggestions in the comment section, and consider subscribing to the channel. Ahmad Al Sadah is here. Hi, do you think gold will break to daily? Um, Let me check. Average. Although I am not using indicators these days, just because you said so. It why just saying break 200? See my 200 SM. My SMV is at around 1937 right now. I know where it is for you, Ahmad Al Sadah. Do you think that it is on your charts? It is same 1937. If yes, let me know. And actually, I think that it will break. Let me know. 37. Then here this was this lot of somebody's high probability. Then again, lot of yes, there is a very likely that the market will close break 7 levels. If you ask me that should I buy the market right now, I will say don't do this, because if you buy this right now, you are very close, very far from support. Levels of support are at 1867. Why would you buy the market at 1930? Oh, really want to buy this market? Tell you truth, the daily this is your swing, right? This because this is your swing pivot. 1952 is your swing. You cannot buy it below 1930. Really look for the selling opportunity. That is my opinion. Let us see. Be cautious about whatever is going on in the world is getting reflected in gap up opening in, and then continuous. A lot of money is dropping into gold. A lot of money is dropping into. Look at this. A lot of money is dropping into. Yes, there is a high probability that the level still bearish. Right, very good. Still bearish. Below this level of 1946 and below this level of 1952, the gold is bearish. And this is an area of interest, but some sell off here. Okay, I switch to 1 hour or 1 hour are are not supporting it. very likely that the price. But Ahmed Al Sada, my request to you is that not buy this, not sell it, because there is no reason of selling this. But yes, you find something like this, which I'm going to show you right now. Find something, find something higher than certainly it makes a lower low and low where you can sell your gold, because here is small, but only inside this area. If I switch to a very small, that if you can sell, problem. That's all, guys, from my side. Let's see you again on Monday. Have a happy weekend. Thank you very much for your time. I hope that you're enjoying and vibing around. Make sure that you smash that like button, which so I hope to see you. Happy weekend.